channel, and today I am going to show you how to make a kitty packet. So for making that we will need a square sheet of 15 centimeter and a packet of color pens. So let's begin. First we will take the sheet of 15 centimeter and fold it in triangle. After making the triangle, we will take this point here. And then we will take this point to this point. See, like this. Some space should be left here. And then we will take this point. See, there will be two sheets. And we will take this and fold it like this. And then see, like this, and it will become like this. Now we will take pencil and just see. Now after drawing the eyes and mouth, we will take black color pencil and red and pink color pencil. So first I will color it. So you can see now I've just colored it. Now you can see some space in here. See, here is some space. Now here we'll just press it upside. See, like this. It will become. See, you can just see. See, like this. You just need to press it. It will become like this. And your packet is ready. So friends, now we are ready with our kitty packets, and if you like this kitty packet, please like, share and subscribe my channel to get the notifications of my more new coming videos. Till the time, bye bye. Thank you.